fit the northeast wing to the loons and queens at Monymusk Primary School.
I like playing a packle of Scots tunes on my fiddle.
If you're in Monymusk, why not come to our Hungry Haggis Cafe? Abdi's welcome and you're sure to get a fly cup and a fine piece.
We hae a cafe most months, and each class takes a ton of tea me bacon and running me cafe.
We hae a good time at the cafe and it gets everybody in the community creative, wee bairns and ad folk haeing in a blabber together in the field fit to fine. Why nae pop in for a cuppa when you're in Monymusk?
I like having a fine piece and a wheat bladder with my friends at the community cafe.
I like farming with my favour.
I like riding my bike around Monymusk.
I like playing football with my friends in the playground.
I like biding in the countryside.
This Doric dictionary was written by some of the pupils at Monymusk Primary School. Some of us speak Doric in the northern east of Scotland.
At Monymusk School we are learning about our local language and culture, and we really want to keep it alive. So we named our dictionary Hobbit Chat in, and some of our favourite phrases. Giza Bozy. It's a ding and ding.
I'm a bit dreist.
Monymusk has bra community spirit.
Abdi's friendly and happy to lend a hand when needed.
I like learning local stories about Monymusk. One of my favourites would be Jock of Benny.
It tells a story about a giant cad jock that bides on Benny and fed up with other monks singing in the monastery below.
I like going to the dam and toasting marshmallows in the fire.
That's a stony.
I like learning about the local history.
This road is now Drove Road. This is far the beast would stop for a wee drink of water afore their long journey ahead.
What my favourite thing to do in Monymusk is
Take part in the Monymusk Muddy Run with all my friends.
I like building dens with my friends in the woods.